Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandhya Sawant. For today's video, I'll be showing you this simple and easy eye makeup tutorial and easily wearable for any occasion. With this, I have paired a liner which is very suitable for eye makeup. If you're interested, then keep on watching this video. You can follow me on my Instagram account as well. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In that way, you'll be notified. So let's get to the eye makeup tutorial. For today, I am using this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette for the eyeshadow. And first, I am applying the light orange peachy color on the crease area and blending it. And here I am using a brush from MORPHE M330 and this is a blending brush. You can use any blending brush you have and blend it until the color is not looking harsh. Basically, make the color look soft on the crease. Next, I'm picking up this brown shade and I'm here applying it on my outer V area. First, I'm placing the brown color and distributing it towards the inner side of my eye. Now I'm picking up this off-white shade with the help of eyeshadow applicator brush and I am applying only on my eyelid. Here I am not going over my crease area. Next for the eyeliner, here I am picking up Maybelline gel liner in black with the help of liner brush. And this brush is from pack in number 031. First I am drawing a line from inner to outer V. And I am again drawing line and making it thick. Here I am not going for a wing today. Next I am highlighting my brow bone using pack highlighter in shade PK02. And it's a baked highlighter. For the waterline, here I'm using a pencil liner from Inglot and going over few strokes on my waterline and as well on my lower lash line. Here I'm picking up brown shade and smudging with the black liner and I'm here smoking out the brown shade now. To highlight my inner V area, I am here using the same pack baked highlighter and just pressing the highlighter. So for the mascara, here I am using Too Faced mascara and it's called Better Than Sex mascara. This gives a very thick look for my lashes and also applying on my lower lashes as well. And next I have used false lashes from Huda Beauty in Scarlet and we are done, guys. With you, yeah. And this is the final look. So this is a very simple and easy eye makeup and it is easy to create. I'm sure even you can create this look. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In that way you'll be notified. You can follow me on my Instagram account. You'll find my socials link in the description box below. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Tell me if you wanna go sometime.